What happens when a knife has to survive 8 hours of real work instead of 8 minutes in a showroom? Because on a job site, comfort isn't a luxury. It's the difference between a knife you trust and one you stop carrying. Today we're looking at 8 ergonomic utility knives built around grip, control, durability, and repeatable performance. No unnecessary fluff, no fantasy survival claims, and no judging a knife simply by how aggressive it looks. And wait until you see which one takes number 1 for all-day hard labor. Number 8. Milwaukee Tradesman Fixed Blade Knife. Starting at number 8 is the Milwaukee Tradesman Fixed Blade Knife. And this is exactly the kind of knife that makes sense when you stop treating a blade like a collectible and start treating it like a piece of work equipment. Milwaukee designed this model around job site utility, with a 4-inch drop-point stainless steel blade, full-tang construction, ergonomic handle, lanyard hole, and molded sheath with a belt clip. That combination matters because tradespeople don't need a knife that looks impressive for 10 seconds. They need one that can survive repeated cutting throughout the day. The 4-inch blade is a particularly practical size. It gives you enough reach for general utility work without turning the knife into a bulky outdoor blade. Cutting packaging, rope, strapping, tape, cardboard, and other common work materials are exactly the kinds of tasks where a fixed blade can make sense. The full tang adds confidence when the workload becomes more demanding, while the ergonomic handle is there to make prolonged use more comfortable. And that's the real theme of this entire ranking. Ergonomics matter more the longer you work. A handle that feels acceptable for 5 minutes can become irritating after several hours. Milwaukee also keeps the carry system simple. The molded sheath and belt clip make the knife easy to keep accessible without needing a complicated setup. There's even a lanyard hole for additional carry options. It isn't pretending to be a custom bushcraft masterpiece, and it doesn't need to. This is a straightforward work knife from a company already deeply associated with professional tools. Another advantage is familiarity. If you're already using Milwaukee equipment on the job, the tradesman feels like it belongs in that ecosystem rather than looking like an unrelated piece of gear. That's important when your knife is part of a larger working setup. You want something that is easy to carry, easy to understand, and ready whenever the next cutting job appears. The blade won't magically eliminate fatigue, but the combination of manageable dimensions and ergonomic handling can make repeated utility cuts less frustrating. That's why it deserves the opening spot. The Tradesman Fixed Blade is about utility first, and when the workday gets long, simple can be seriously powerful. Number 7. Reiff Knives Rangewolf. This is where the list moves from mass-market job site equipment into a much more refined compact utility knife. The Rangewolf is particularly interesting because it was designed as a lightweight hunting and EDC fixed blade, with published configurations featuring a 3-inch MagnaCut blade, full flat grind, drop-point profile, G10 or canvas micarta handles, and a weight of roughly 4 ounces depending on configuration. That immediately tells you what Reiff was trying to accomplish: maximum usefulness without unnecessary bulk. And that is exactly what makes an ergonomic utility knife valuable during all-day work. If the knife is constantly pulling on your belt or occupying too much space, you'll eventually stop carrying it. The Rangewolf avoids that problem by staying compact while still giving you a proper working handle. Reiff also puts real attention into grip security. The model features spine jimping, a ramp designed to support a pinch grip, textured handle surfaces, and additional grip features around the handle and butt. Those details might look minor in a photograph, but they're the things you notice after hundreds of cuts. The difference between simply holding a knife and actually controlling it becomes obvious when you're tired. The MagnaCut blade also makes the Rangewolf particularly attractive for users who want stainless corrosion resistance and strong overall edge performance in a modern steel. But again, the steel isn't the entire story. A premium blade inside an uncomfortable handle would still be a bad work knife. The Rangewolf works because the components support the same mission: compact, secure, predictable utility. Its Kydex sheath is ambidextrous, has adjustable retention, and can be configured for different carry positions, adding another layer of practicality. And that flexibility matters because people don't all carry tools the same way. That's a huge advantage during a long day when your belt is already loaded with tools. At number 7, the Rangewolf proves that a work. Number 6. GiantMouse GMF1. This is one of the most interesting knives in the lineup because it takes the minimalist fixed blade concept and pushes it toward refined everyday utility. The GMF1 has long been known as a compact fixed blade companion, and GiantMouse itself describes it as a minimalist design built around utility and elegance. The company's scale system is specifically intended to give the knife a more substantial grip without losing the slim profile that makes the GMF1 so compact. That detail is incredibly important for this video because we're talking about all-day hard labor, not just casual carrying. A tiny fixed blade can be extremely convenient, but convenience means very little if the handle becomes uncomfortable once the cutting continues. The GMF1's appeal is that you can configure the grip to better suit your preferences while keeping the knife's compact character. That makes the GMF1 particularly interesting for people who want a lightweight tool that doesn't disappear completely when they actually need to work with it. The knife's small footprint also means it can be carried without feeling like a traditional belt knife. That's useful for tradespeople, hikers, EDC users, and anyone who wants a fixed blade available without the bulk of a larger field knife. But there is a trade-off, and it needs to be said clearly. This is still a compact knife. It isn't designed to replace a large chopping or heavy processing blade. Its strength is controlled utility. Think detail cutting, light materials, cordage, packaging, and the many small jobs where precision matters more than leverage. The compact format also makes it easier to position the blade exactly where you want it instead of having a large cutting edge getting in the way. That's a real advantage during repetitive work where accuracy matters. Another point worth remembering is that a minimalist knife often puts more responsibility on the user's grip and technique. The less handle and blade you have, the more important it becomes to use the knife within its intended role. That's not a weakness. It is simply the trade-off that comes with a small EDC fixed blade. At number 6, the GMF1 proves how much practical capability can be packed into a very small footprint. Minimalism works when every part has a purpose, and the GMF1 understands that better than most. Number 5, Vastid Marmizette. This little fixed blade is one of the biggest surprises on the entire list. Vosteed introduced the Marmoset as its first everyday carry fixed blade, and the concept is immediately clear. Take a very compact knife, give it a useful cutting profile, and make the handle large enough that the user doesn't feel like they're gripping a toy. The Marmoset uses a 2.2-inch cleaver-style blade in 14C28 in steel, with full-length spine jimping, micarta scales, and a full-size handle relative to the blade. That combination makes a lot of sense for utility work. A short blade gives you excellent control, while the taller profile gives you more cutting surface than the tiny dimensions might suggest. This is particularly useful when you're making push cuts, detail cuts, or handling smaller materials where precision is more important than reach. And because the knife is so compact, it can be carried in places where a conventional fixed blade would simply be too bulky. Vosteed also supplies a Kydex sheath with a pocket carry-oriented clip system, reinforcing the idea that this is meant to function as an EDC tool rather than a traditional belt knife. That portability becomes a major advantage during long workdays. The best work knife is often the one you don't mind carrying for 8 hours. You don't want a heavy sheath constantly moving around your belt. You don't want a giant handle interfering with your tools. You want something that disappears until the moment you need it. The Marmoset does exactly that. Its cleaver-style profile also gives it a distinctive cutting personality. The broad blade can provide useful control during certain utility cuts, while the short overall length keeps the knife easy to maneuver. But don't confuse compactness with unlimited capability. Its small blade isn't intended for heavy wood processing or large cutting jobs. This is a precision utility tool, and within that role, it makes a compelling argument. It's particularly interesting for users who spend more time making dozens of small cuts than a few large ones. In that environment, control and carry comfort can matter far more than raw blade length. Number 4, Kizer Deckhand. This knife may be one of the cleanest examples of a compact fixed blade designed specifically around everyday utility. Kizer describes the Deckhand as a compact fixed blade with a functional sheep's foot blade shape intended for daily work and outdoor use. Published specifications put the blade at roughly 2.94 inches, with a 3.2 mm blade thickness, D2 stainless steel, micarta and G10 handle options, and a total weight around 3.7 ounces. Those numbers tell an important story. The Deckhand isn't trying to compete with a large survival knife. It is trying to give you a small, controlled cutting tool that can stay on your person throughout the workday. And for repetitive work, that can be a huge advantage. A sheep's foot style blade is especially practical when you're making controlled cuts where you don't necessarily need a sharp point. It gives the knife a very utility-oriented personality. Add the compact dimensions and relatively low weight, and suddenly the Deckhand starts making sense for tradespeople, EDC users, workshop environments, and outdoor tasks. The handle is also important because a short blade doesn't automatically mean a comfortable knife. You still need enough grip to control the blade securely, especially when you're making repeated cuts. Kizer's micarta and G10 handle options give users a more substantial platform than the tiny blade might suggest. The Deckhand's biggest strength is therefore not brute durability. It's efficiency. You carry less, you draw it quickly, and you get a rigid fixed blade that is easy to control. That's exactly what an all-day utility knife should do. There is, naturally, a limit to what you should ask from a blade this size. Heavy chopping and large material processing aren't its mission. But that's perfectly fine. A good tool becomes better when you understand its role. In fact, a knife like the Deckhand can make more sense than a larger blade when your work involves repeated precision cuts throughout the day. Less weight means less gear fatigue, and the compact profile is less likely to interfere with everything else you're carrying. At number 4, the Deckhand shows that ergonomics aren't about making a knife bigger, they're about making every movement feel natural. Number 3, Bradford Guardian 3.5. This is where compact utility starts meeting genuine all-around capability. The Guardian 3.5 has been reviewed specifically as an all-around fixed blade suitable for trail use and everyday carry, with its longer handle giving the user more room and capability than the smaller Guardian 3. That difference matters enormously when we're talking about all-day work. A knife doesn't have to be huge to be comfortable, but it does need enough handle for your hand. That's one of the reasons the Guardian 3.5 is so compelling. Its proportions allow the knife to remain compact while giving you more confidence during extended cutting sessions. The model's traditional horizontal carry sheath also emphasizes its EDC character, while Kydex options are available for users who prefer a different carry setup. This is the kind of knife that can transition between outdoor use and everyday utility without feeling out of place in either environment. That's a major advantage when your day doesn't follow a predictable script. Maybe you're working around a property in the morning, cutting packaging later, and then heading outdoors in the evening. You don't necessarily want 3 different knives. You want one dependable fixed blade that can handle the common tasks. The Guardian 3.5 fits that philosophy. Its compact size keeps it manageable, while the additional handle length gives it a more substantial working feel than many smaller EDC fixed blades. And that's where ergonomics become more than a marketing word. Good ergonomics mean the knife remains predictable when your hand is tired. They mean you don't have to constantly adjust your grip. They mean the blade feels like a tool rather than an obstacle. The Guardian 3.5 also has the advantage of being large enough to feel substantial without crossing into the category of knives that become cumbersome for routine utility work. That middle ground is incredibly valuable when the knife is expected to perform multiple times every day. Instead of being a specialized tool for one particular task, it becomes a general-purpose cutting instrument that can live on your belt and quietly handle whatever comes next. Number 2, Reiff F3. This is where the phrase, all-day hard labor, becomes especially interesting because the F3 was designed around the idea of a serious fixed blade that remains comfortable enough for everyday carry. Reiff's reputation among fixed blade enthusiasts has grown around practical American-made knives, and the F3 has become a popular choice for people who want a compact blade with a more premium feel. Community discussions frequently point to the F3 as an EDC fixed blade with comfortable handles, while examples of the model have been offered in modern steels, including Magna Cut. What makes the F3 particularly compelling for this ranking is the balance between blade capability and carryability. You don't want a utility knife that is so large it becomes annoying after an hour. You also don't want one so small that you're constantly wishing for more handle. The F3 occupies a useful middle ground. Its design feels purpose-built for users who actually intend to carry and use the knife rather than simply display it. That distinction becomes critical when the workload continues for hours. The handle needs to provide confidence without creating pressure points. The blade needs enough length to handle meaningful cuts without becoming unnecessarily cumbersome. And the sheath needs to keep the knife secure while still allowing practical access. That's the type of complete package the F3 represents. It also has the premium construction and finish that make it feel more refined than a basic utility knife, but it doesn't lose sight of its job. The F3 isn't trying to be a giant survival blade. It's a working companion, and that's why it gets this high. Another important advantage is that the F3 doesn't force you to choose between portability and a proper working grip. That's the sweet spot many compact fixed blades struggle to achieve. A knife can be tiny enough to carry but still awkward enough to use. And the F3 is interesting precisely because it aims to avoid that problem. When you're making repeated cuts, the difference between a secure grip and a cramped grip becomes more obvious with every repetition. At number 2, the F3 comes incredibly close to winning because it delivers that rare combination of compact size, serious construction, comfortable handling, and everyday practicality. Number 1, Fiskars Heavy-Duty Knife with Sharpener. And finally, at number 1 is the Fiskars Heavy-Duty Knife with Sharpener. And this might be the most appropriate winner for a video specifically about ergonomic utility knives built for all-day labor. Why? Because Fiskars didn't treat ergonomics as an afterthought. Its current hardware catalog describes the heavy-duty knife as having a stronger and thicker blade for heavy use, a deburring file function, an integrated sharpener, a reversible sheath for left or right-handed use, and a 3-component ergonomic handle. That is an extremely practical combination for someone who spends the day cutting rather than collecting. The handle is the first thing that stands out because this knife is designed around repeated use. If you're working for hours, comfort becomes performance. A knife that creates pressure points or forces an awkward grip can become exhausting long before the blade itself reaches its limits. Fiskars addresses that directly with its ergonomic 3-component handle. Then there's the sheath. The reversible collar allows left or right-handed use, which sounds like a small detail until you're wearing the knife every day. A tool should adapt to the worker, not force the worker to adapt to the tool. And then Fiskars adds something most knives on this list simply don't have: an integrated sharpener in the sheath. The company's catalog specifically highlights this as a way to keep the blade sharp during continued work. That's incredibly relevant to the title. Zero fluff means every feature should solve a real problem. A sharpener you already have with the knife can mean less downtime and fewer interruptions when the edge eventually needs attention. The heavy-duty version also uses a stronger, thicker blade designed for heavy use and can function as a deburring file, giving it another practical job on the worksite. This is exactly the sort of detail that separates a genuinely practical utility knife from a knife that simply has an impressive specification sheet. The Fiskars also benefits from being designed as a working tool rather than a collector's piece. You don't have to worry about keeping it pristine. Its entire purpose is to be carried, used, maintained, and put back to work.